Hello friends, today I am going to explain about the important topic in the English, that is tenses. Tenses will indicate time. It is mainly classified into three types, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Present will indicate today, past yesterday, future tomorrow. Okay, we already know about verbs. We will use V1, V2, V3, V4. These four are the verb forms. Okay, now these tenses again classified into four types. So present tense, we come to present tense. That means I am speaking about today. Okay, so what is simple present tense? Simple present tense means if an action is going at the same time. If action is going at the same time, that is present tense. This having the formulas also, subject plus V1 plus object. What is subject? Now we are learning the grammar, right? So example will be we learn grammar. It is going same time, now only it is going, right? So that is simple present tense. So present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? That means if an action is going at the same time of speaking. Now I am speaking and some action is happening there and it is still going that action. On that time we will tell present continuous tense. I will repeat one more time. If an action is going at the same time of speaking, okay, that is present continuous tense. The formula will be subject plus is or am or plus V4 plus object. V4 means V1 plus ing form. Continuous will indicate ing, learning, going, eating. Continuous will be there means ing form will come. Okay. Next, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means just now only completed. It is called present perfect. Perfect will indicate just now only completed. That means now only I have eaten an apple. That is present perfect tense. Now present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? If an action is going in the past and still going now. This started in past but it is still going now. That is called present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating an apple. That means I started past. Now also I am eating an apple. That is present perfect continuous tense. So past tense. What is past tense? It will be classified into four types. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous. What is simple past? If an action is completed in the past on this time, the action, whatever we started the action in the past, that is completed. That it will indicate simple past. Example, I ate an apple on this time. Yesterday I ate an apple. That is simple past. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means an action begin in the past and completed some time ago in the past. An action begins in the past and completed some time ago in the past. So that means the action is begins in the past, means and on that time I begin the one action and after some times ago it is completed in the past only. That is called past perfect tense. Now past perfect continuous tense. An action begin in the past and still continuing in the past, means I started one action sometimes ago and that is continuing still on that time. It is called as past perfect continuous. I will repeat one more time. An action began in the past and still continuing in the past, that is called past perfect continuous. So future tense. Future tense means tomorrow, and that will be four types: simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Simple future will be an action begins in the future on this time, means tomorrow on this time one action is begins. That is called simple future. Just future continuous tense. An action begin in the future and going on same time in the future itself. So we started one action, we will start one action tomorrow, and on this time also it is continuing. So that is future continuous. Will be the will indicates future tense. Okay, so that only every example we are using will as shall also be the future. Now future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? An action began in the future and completed certain time in the future, and that means I will start one action tomorrow morning, means on that time it is, on this time it will be completed. That is called as future perfect tense. Now future perfect continuous tense. An action began in the future and still going on. Still going on. Going means continuous. Okay, that means if an action is begins in the future and still it is going on, that is called as future perfect continuous. Example will be, I will have been eating an apple. Perfect continuous will become is have been will come definitely. That is the keyword. This is the tenses. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I will post new videos also. Thank you.